Nice to meet ya, Orangey. I'm Punchy, and I live here with my bug friends. Very cool. I'm gonna go teach you cuss words now. Never mind, you already know yours. You already know plenty. Cool. Nah, I'm good. You enjoy that. No. You've said enough. I'm good. Yep. You have a great time. Bye-bye. Sorry to interrupt, sir. Damn, your Punchy is raunchy. My Punchy is baby boy baby. He calls me dad and he doesn't say profanities. And this is where I keep the body parts. And this is where I keep my food. And this is where I go hide. This guy over here just wants attention. I'm trying to... Let me not say that. I almost said I'm trying to to please my pussy, but this fucking attention whore over here. My cat! She needs attention. Look at her, she's sad. I need to talk to her so she's not gonna be sad anymore. Shut up. I am okay, thank you, Kiki. My beloved pussy. You did that on purpose. Nuh-uh. You have no proof. I don't think I could time it right. Oh! I win! I'm gaming! I go flower! I did it! I think hammerhead sharks are like my favorite because they look so goofy. Do you guys have a favorite shark? Let me know in the comments. I hate this. Let me not start this YouTuber sh- Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, I got it. Damn, that fucker was bothering me. It's long, too. Ew. What is my problem? It was a cat hair. I just pulled that out. Ugh. Gross. Yucky. Listen, I had to get the cat hair out. Shut up.